The 204 Ruger is a high-velocity, small-caliber rifle cartridge that was introduced back in 2004 by Ruger and Hornady. It was designed specifically for varmint hunting, offering, exceptional speed and a really flat trajectory, which makes it ideal for precise long-range shooting. The 204 Ruger quickly gained popularity among enthusiasts because of its outstanding accuracy and minimal recoil, allowing shooters to maintain a clear sight picture when firing. Its primary purpose is varmint and small game hunting.